I had a fucking breakthrough. I'm calling it the Dunkerator. It is the world's first multi-Oreo dunking device. So here it is. Just printed it out. And all you do is take cookies and slide them in. They fit pretty snugly so that you don't lose them when the cookie starts to soften. And there we go, we got it fully loaded. From there, all you have to do is dunk it into the milk. And if you want to let them sit for a minute, the convenient handle will hold it onto the glass for as long as you need. And then pull them out and throw an apple tea.